I would like to think that I've made a lot of impact in the lives of my students, as they certainly have mine. I would like to think that I've made a lot of impact on my students' lives, hopefully as much as they have made on mine. But when thinking about those students that, especially in an urban environment, have so many reasons to not come to school, and face and overcome so much adversity, and to think that while their attendance might have been spotty in this class, or their grades might have been a little rough here, that never once did they ever show up so much as a minute late to music class. And to know that the time that we've had together and my role in their life has been a part of their decision to come to school every day for 4 years, and to walk across that stage and pick up their diploma, and to turn the next chapter in their life, and to think that I played a role in that, I can't think of any greater impact than that. Okay.